In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop unwanted mails in Gmail. If your inbox is getting flooded with messages you don't want, I'll walk you through the built-in tools that help you take back control. We'll keep it simple and practical, and everything works whether you're on a computer or using the Gmail app on your phone. Start by blocking specific senders you never want to hear from again. Open Gmail, then open an email from the sender you want to block. Look for the three vertical dots, often called More Options, usually near the top right of the message. Choose Block for that sender, and confirm if you're asked. After this, new emails from that sender will be diverted automatically so they won't clutter your inbox. This is great for repeat nuisances and is quick to undo later if you change your mind. Next, use Gmail spam reporting to train the system. When you see suspicious or junk messages, mark them as spam. This not only cleans your inbox but also helps Gmail recognize similar messages in the future. For safety, avoid opening emails you don't trust, especially if the subject looks off or the message urges you to click a link immediately. The act of reporting spam is enough, you don't need to interact with the content. For ongoing automation, set up custom filters. In Gmail on desktop, go to Settings, select See All Settings, then open the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Click Create a new filter and define what you want Gmail to catch, such as a particular sender or certain keywords that show up in unwanted mail. After you set your criteria, choose what you want Gmail to do automatically, like delete it, skip the inbox so it goes to archive, or mark as spam. Create the filter, and Gmail will handle those messages for you going forward without you lifting a finger. Unsubscribing is ideal for legitimate newsletters you signed up for but no longer need. Open one of those emails and use the unsubscribe link at the bottom to stop them at the source. Gmail may also show an unsubscribe option near the sender's name at the top, which is a quick and safe way to opt out. Finally, check your block list and filters periodically. In Settings under Filters and Block Addresses, review what you've set up to make sure it's still working for you, and adjust anything that's too aggressive or not catching enough. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.